Fucking raining. Look. It was lightning as well. I hate that. Oh, I'm really scared of the lightning, guys. Oh, just trying to focus it outside and on the window. Wait, you'll see a lightning strike. I'm highly scared from them. I'm highly scared from the lightning, guys. I just don't like them. Like, most people don't really give a shit. No, they don't. See, that was a lightning strike. You should have seen this. I don't know if it shows in the camera. I'm not even controlling it yet. I tell you right now, this is fucking. Oh god, I don't like them at all. Look at the road first, start. If you can get it to focus. Oh, it just doesn't. Wait, okay. Just look at the road, like. Holy fuck. Look at the other side, guys. That's look at the other side. It's all dark. If you can just see it. It's all dark. Look. Well, that was a person. It's all dark. I hate lightning strikes. I just hate them so much. That was a strike. You see that? Wait. You see that? If I can get it to focus. You can barely see it. Yeah, you can't really see it. There you go. That. You see that little... That was a strike, guys. See that little thingy? It pulls the lightning strike. Well, let me unzoom. It pulls the lightning strike down and sends. You can hear it. I just opened the door. So I'm in the car right now. That you can see it. You can see it. That. I hate strikes. I hate lightning strikes so much. I don't like him. I don't like him at all. Oh, I can't control it. Nah. Just do this. You can hear it. You can hear it. You can hear the. Look. Just waiting. Oh, fuck's sake. For some reason, the camera just focuses on the window, not the outside. So I'm trying to focus it. No, when I was on freaking 4.4K, when I was tapping the screen, like this, take screenshots. Now just do this, focus this. You can see the road. Oh, it's so wet. Like, fucking... I hate this. I hate strikes so much. In Greece, guys, it's a lot worse. In freaking Greece, it's a lot worse. It's just a lot worse. I'll just put the camera there. That was another strike. If I can just get it to... no, I can't. No, it just falls. No. Nah, it just falls. I'm just gonna hold it. Oh, there you go. That's a good place. Actually, no, I can't reach it. Yeah, I hate them so much. I hate lightning strikes so much, guys. In Greece, like I said, people don't even give a shit about it. But in Greece, it's a lot worse. Well, in Greece, that's my country. That's where I'm born. It's just a lot worse. It's just like... A lot worse. Even you can even have lightning strikes in Greece in the fucking, not in the middle of the sea, like so covered by mountains, and the lightning strikes usually go on the mountains. Like, I like to say, this is the city, and the mountains are right there. That's the center. Lightning strike can just go here. I just trying to show you guys. And I'm gonna have to stop it here. Bye. Thanks for watching. Just continuing recording me. It was a big lightning strike, but okay, not there. But I shall record this because my brother's right there. He just came. You can see that. Oh shit! Can just freaking see one. You can hear it. I'm just gonna leave my door open so for you can hear it. There you go. Like I said, Greece, like in this, a lot worse. Look, that was a woman running in the store. Saying Greece a lot worse. Way worse. There was some man passing, that was privacy issues, I'm not sure. It's still raining shit. This is like a big lens try. I'm gonna have to drop my device. Well, phone. Drop it. It's like a big and very scary. I'm gonna have to do this. Because, like I said, I just don't like him. You can't see it properly. Oh, for some reason, focus on the freaking window. Wait. Screenshots of that. I also have an option of like screenshotting. Now, in here, I'm just focusing the camera. But do you have a button like, a button that you can take screenshots. Anyway, here's the picture. That grey button, little button, as you actually saw it, you can hear it. Well, it's like when you just take screenshots. Yeah. You can barely, you can hear it. Like, it's open the door because there's water on my hand now. Okay. So even if I just open it a little bit, it's another water on my hand. I'm dripping. There, that was a strike. I just hate them. Like, it's only raining a little bit. I just hate them so much, guys. You can't even imagine. I hate them. Like I said, look at this. It's a lot worse there. It's way worse. You can hear it. You can hear it. It's a lot worse in there. If you go in winter, a lot worse. I was like, I don't know. That was happening 2009 or 2010. 2010. And it was just like that, but a lot worse. It was just dark. That happened again. Well, again 2013, but even more worse than it happened in 2010. Like, in 2010 was like, I don't know, a small kid, and like was just rain heavily. Rain. I mean, heavy rain and heavy strikes, louder. You can hear it. Louder than that, very louder than that. Like, there was like fucking I don't know, all the whole city like full of fucking light. It was very strong. In 2013, it got dark, but it also seemed to like kind of reddish, red sky. The sky was red in 2013 Greece. It was a lot worse than it was in 2010, as I told you guys. A lot even worse. I shouldn't have gone to school to then, because, yeah. You can hear it. You can barely hear it. See, you can... I don't want to open the door, because, water just... I'm going to get soaked from the water. Look. There's a drip, just now. This drips in... I don't know if you can see that. I have no idea. Well, if you don't have a proper camera... Like Kingdom Brooks! Okay, this video is about lightning, about me hating this. Maybe the next video could be like about Kingdom Brooks. I'm just gonna... Yeah, talk about it. I might just stop here, because I just want until 22nd of September. So the strike expires, the copyright strike, so I can just upload videos that are more than 15 minutes. Because YouTube doesn't allow me now. It must not be over 15 minutes. It has to be less than that. Give me 14, that's good. I just have to stop it here because I'm losing. Well, I'm not losing time, but I can't put videos that are longer than 15 minutes. YouTube doesn't allow me. When that strike expires, okay, that copyright strike expires, I'm gonna notify you guys. And I'm gonna have to stop here. Bye bye. I hate them so much. I hate the lightning strike so much, guys. Please don't go. You can hear it, guys.